I've been inventing things all my life. The boys, they call me the gadget man. I turned up to one customer and she said, I'm waiting for some geek to come to get something out of the line. I said, I am that geek. The most common things that cause blockages are wet wipes, sanitary, fats. Before I come up with these inventions, we would be maybe digging up your drive, taking walls down, digging up the road outside your house. Now with my inventions, we're pulling the stuff out and there's no disruption at all to the customers. If we come across a problem we haven't seen before, I'll go home, mull it over in the bath, go out to my shed, try and make something. Go back to that job, test it, and hopefully he'll get it out. If he doesn't, I'll go back to the shed and I'll make something until I do get it out. I started inventing things because it's actually quite hard work sometimes to clear a blockage, and these tools made the job easier. I've made things to remove wet wipes, not just rods, but anything that people have used. Branches off trees, fishing rods, you name it, I've made something to grab it out. Sometimes I come home from work, my wife has put the tea on the table, but I've gone straight up the shed because it's in my thoughts, it's in my mind and I want to get on with it. And I come in and she's already gone to bed and I'm having my tea on my own. I think the inventor will always be in me. If the problem is there to be fixed, then I'll keep on inventing. If there's something that I can't do, I'll be up that shed making something else.